Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the BONOSS Wheel Spacer unofficial channel. So, what's the advantage of BONOSS wheel spacers? Spacers are a kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problem. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing of sprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. The multi-stage half-century design makes the installation more fitting and safer. For more information about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.